Guys, this tutorial is the continuation of built-in string function in Python. Today we will learn one more new function, that is our index function. I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Now let's get started with our today's tutorial. Our index function is pretty similar to our find function. The only difference is our index function will raise an exception if the substring is not found, while our find function will not raise any exception, even it will return -1 value. Okay, so this was the difference. We will see the difference practically later in the video. So what our index function does, right? This our index function finds the last occurrence of the specified value if the substring is found, otherwise it raises value error exception. Okay, and the syntax is pretty much same. Okay, if I use this rIndex function on the string type rIndex, you will see in the documentation we have substring which we are finding, from which index we are starting, and at which point we are going to stop. Okay, so in the range we are finding one substring. It is clearly saying raise value error when the substring is not found. Okay, now let's see this. If I want to find is, okay, so it will return you the last occurrence of this string into this s1, right? If you run the program, so you will see that is 27, which means this is this index, right? This index of the character. Okay, because is exists 3 times, right, in this string. As per the definition, this rIndex function will return last occurrence of the specified value, right? This value. If we do not find any such a string, right, in this string, so you will get a exception, right? If you're in the program, so you will see substring not found. Okay, so we have to be very careful if we are finding anything and which is not found in the string, so it will raise exception, right? We can use these functions parameter as well. If we want to define a starting index, right, I want to start from 5th index, right? Okay, so it will give you the same result. Okay, it will give you the same result 27, because this function is returning the last occurrence in the string. Okay, if you use another parameter, that is and, so then you will see the difference, right? And in this range only, just give me the last occurrence of this substring, right? Now result would be different. This time you see it is 12, because in this range we are getting the index probably here, right? That is why it is giving the last occurrence. Okay, if I delete this is word, now your index would be changed, because there will be only one index which will be different. Okay, if you're in the program, so you will see the 7th, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, in many interviews these questions often ask, right, what is the difference between rIndex and rfind function? If you use rfind function, then we will check the difference, right? Okay, rIndex function and rfind function, we are checking the same value, same substring, even the range is the same. Okay, if you're in the program, so you will see the output is same in both the cases. But make a note on the difference. If rIndex function does not find any substring, then it will raise you exception, right? I'm putting the substring same in both the methods. One of the method will raise exception, this function, but this function will not, right? If you're in the program, you see first this function raise exception and none of the other statements executed, right? If I put these statements first, because rfind function will never give you any exceptions, it will return -1. Okay, if you're in the program again, now you see the -1 is displayed, because rfind function did not find any such substring in the string, while on the other hand rfind function raises the exception, right? This string substring did not find in the string. Okay, So make sure in the interview when this question is being asked, okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.